Okay, try this red date tea and red sugar cane and water chestnut. I'll try this first. Oh. Red sugar cane and water chestnut. Oh, feel na feel. Oh my god. Okay, that's how you do it. Lasang black gulaman. Sa Pilipinas, black gulaman. Na matamis. Yeah, ganun. Black gulaman. I immediately can tell. Okay, ito naman. Red dates. Red date. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, lasang ano, date na hindi masyadong matamis. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. I like the red sugar cane, this one, better than this one. But it's okay. Bye. If coconut water, 100% natural, no preservative. Coconut water. Let's try. Yeah. Mas masarap pa rin yung buko dito sa Pilipinas. Parang siyang lasang artificial. Or ganito ba yung lasa ng coconut dito? Product of Thailand. It's good. I got this on sale. $1. Okay, let's unpack from Wonderful second fold. Jackfruit, freeze-dried jackfruit. Okay. This is my favorite. I love this so much. Wala lang yung Japanese burger cookie na gusto ko din. And ito, look. Wow. Cute mini Tic Tacs. May mint, orange, peach, and passion fruit, and spearmint. Cute. Okay, ito. Dahil nauhaw ko, ininom ko na yung isa. At ito. Like boba, instant boba. Chocolate. I love this brand. Soy milk chocolate. Oh, Ferrero. Soy milk chocolate. Kapag may free banana, pag pinalo mo yung isang banana. Banana hug. Tapos Takis. Kahit ilang Takis. Kasi expired na yung Takis. New flavor ng chips na gusto ko. And coffee. What is that? Decaf coffee. This is all decaf. No. Double shot, single shot, decaf. Okay. Perfect combo. And some UCC coffee. Tapos pala kinuha ko pa yung isang Lowaka. And my favorite. Kaya lang isa lang ang pwede. So that's our Monofood haul. $20. So good. Monofood haul.